Hi everyone! Welcome back here. This is your Shifu right here. And today is another Taoist Magic video to teach you how to use your magic tool, your magic treasure, which is these beads. Wow, cool. Okay, so make sure you check out the link below in the description box to get started with your free initiation. And after that, you can have the magic spell to activate the power and so on and use these magic that we're talking about today. So today we're going to talk about how to use these magic tool. And again, I'm going to use three methods to use them. So before you actually use it, you must cultivate the beads, okay? So to use them, they need to have some power. They need to be a magic tool first. So it must go through the cleansing. It must go through some cultivation at least once to have some power inside. So my previous two uploads already talk about that. You can follow those. And this video will be talking about how to use them. So using these beads, the first method is using it for yourself. So using it for yourself, you can wear them. Okay, everyone knows. But why and how and which kind of bead to choose, that's the thing. So there are many different types of beads, long and short and big and small. Okay, so the main point why you wear the bead is, think about it this way: every little dot of beads that you poke with your finger when you cultivate like this, okay, every dot, like every bead right there, have one god inside, okay. And this god I'm talking about is, like, you can imagine, like uh one special power, okay, that God can listen to your heart, your intention, and so on. It can communicate with you. It can understand your feeling. It can read minds. Okay, so when you talk to it, it can know what you're talking about, and it has the power to output the magic power to help you do stuff. Okay, so every one of them have one God inside. So imagine this one, 108 beat. So it has 108 God. And you have here 15. So you have like 15 God. Not more, the better, but you can just understand it like that, okay? Well, just like people, not more, the better all the time, right? So wearing it on different places allow these gods this power to surround or like go around different areas of your body and empower that part. So let's look at this. When you wear the bead this way, okay, this is my heart. You see now the bead is like surrounding my heart, my energy heart right here, right? So it's protecting and empowering the heart. When you wear things on the neck, make sure this is not too short. Okay, like these are not like that. Okay, if you're like this, that it doesn't do anything to the heart. So it needs to be like at least here over this nipple line, that it can protect your heart or empower the heart. Okay, the heart right here is the central station of your energy body. It's, if this thing is being attacked, you will have issue with a lot of things. This is like your main CPU. Okay, very important. You need to protect it where all the power is, right? And also, whatever you do with magic, all the power will be drawn from here if you're using the body's power, like things inside your body. So this basically empower the main power inside. Now there are other beads that goes on the wrist. Okay, so it can go on the left or right hand like that. And these beads, when you put it on the wrist, okay, it will help assist or empower your in or out channel from the heart. Okay, so if you want to boost connectivity to your heart from wherever source, like let's say from your altar or from the lineage, then you can wear it on your left hand. It helps you when you channel the power into your heart from the power source. So boosting connectivity to the God wear on the left hand, right? When you wear on the right hand, this is the out channel from the heart, so it empowers whatever magic power you do. And when you do things, okay, so you wear on the right hand. Now, another easier method to explain is when you want help that is internal, for example, thought, thinking, intelligence, being smarter, we're on the left hand. If you want anything to be helped external, like I'm doing things, I am making things, typing a document with your body, anything that needs body, right? Use this on the right hand. Okay. Now, if you need anything to be more confident, more like protect your feelings and so on, wear on the neck. Okay. So you can also think about it this way. Now, this is the first method, very simple, wearing. And when you need help for that moment, you can touch the bead and close your eyes, and then inside your mind you stomp the heart spell, right? Say the heart spell, stomp the left foot, and then you tell the God what help you want, just in your own language. Okay. Now you can also think about it this way: they're like people, so it's very obvious that they will be helping you even you don't ask for it. But this is the method that you can like really tell them the message so that they don't, forget what you want, right? So you make sure that you can say something to them like that. Okay, the second method is very simple, is to use these um as a, you can say, like a temporary altar or temporary statue, because you have gods in there, right? So you can hang them somewhere. If you go to, like, let's say, to a hotel or inside the car, you just like park your car somewhere and you want to like open an altar to do some stuff or something like that. You can put the bead somewhere, hang them up, or put it on the table nicely, just like that. Okay, and what you're doing is you're treating them like a statue, like a god in front of you. Then you can do anything you do with the altar with it. The most like easiest way is to use this hand sign, heart incense hand sign, some hernkut, and then you can talk to the god inside. So if you cultivate them with your heart spell, they will respond with your heart spell. So you go like that, say your heart spell on the left foot, and then you can go here and you can start talking to them. Okay, so this way you can talk to them. And what you can do is, let's say, okay, you went to a hotel, and those hotels are kind of freaky sometimes. You don't feel safe inside the room. You can put this somewhere, hang it somewhere, put it on a table. Make sure this the beads can see where you need it to work on, right? So if you can hang this like high up, like right here, if you can like hang the thing like that, okay, this bead right now can see the whole area around, and it's the best spot to put. If you put this like somewhere on the table, you see, like, if you are the bead and you look around, there will be blockages around, like the chair is blocking, the book is blocking, and it's just not the best space to put. So you choose the place where you want it to see, put it there, and then you can go like that, stomp the heart spell, and then talk to it and tell the God what you want. Please look after the room and repel the evil and whatever. And then after you're done, right, bow, and it will do the job for you, right? It's so simple. You can be like taking this thing and hang it on like the door handle. Okay, so if I'm like afraid of someone, coming into my room, breaking in at the night, right? You can go like that and go through the door handle, and then tell the God, please protect this room tonight and whatever. Physically, if someone like push on the handle, this thing is going to fall and make sound and wake you up. But another thing is the God is actually empowering. So if someone is like touching the handle, trying to go in, the power will go into them and make them like kind of shock and don't want to go in, because that magic is going to go into that burglar or the thief and make them want to go away. So this is very useful. You see, you can like if you're going on a long trip, you can hang this like this thing under that mirror in your car, and so it's like they're watching everything for you, so in case of anything it can notify you and make sure you like stay out of that, any accident or whatever. So you can also use it like that. Make sure it's like a person, so you can just talk to it and tell your god what you want. Okay, very simple. Okay, the last one is to give to someone. So you cultivate the bead, and you want to make sure it has enough power. Okay, so cultivate the bead for at least 49 days non-stop, and then put that on your altar and burn incense. Burn 3 incense and say, the beads here, this one is gonna be for who, for what purpose. And then when you're done, you take the bead 3 times clockwise, 3 times counterclockwise, like that, and then you can give the bead to someone, and they can use it. This is like a gift, a power gift, right? You can gift it to anyone on their birthday or whatever anniversary, something special, right? You can give them a magic tool, a magic treasure, and they can keep using the bead. And from time to time, they can like, oh, like I'm coming to your house. Can I put this on your altar to get charged? Well, yeah, you can put it there, and then you can charge it for them like that, right? So this kind of method is super useful, especially if you have kids. You can cultivate some of them and just like gift a few, to your relatives and things like that, and protect your family. So anyway, that's it for today. Make sure you go down to the description box below, check out the link, free initiation and so on, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.